Have you heard the latest buzz in the music world? The multi-talented global sensation, Taylor Swift, is back with a brand new album. Titled The Tortured Poets Department, this album is set to drop tomorrow on the 19th of April 2024. This highly anticipated release is the talk of the town, and for good reason. Swift's album will be released at the stroke of midnight Eastern Time, translating to an early morning release of 5 a.m. in the UK. The album promises to be a spectacular treat to the ears, with a whopping 20 new songs. But that's not all. The Tortured Poets Department boasts features from renowned artists like Post Malone and Florence and the Machine. Adding to the excitement, Swift has also included bonus tracks that are exclusively available on specific vinyl variants. This isn't the first time Swift has made waves with her music. Just to jog your memory, her previous album Midnights broke records on Spotify, becoming the most streamed album in a single day. Swift also claimed the title of the most streamed artist in a single day in Spotify history. Furthermore, Midnights saw her break another record by claiming all top 10 spots on the Billboard Hot 100 chart simultaneously, making her the first artist in Billboard's 64-year history to achieve such a feat. So, as we count down the hours to the release of the Tortured Poets Department, the anticipation is palpable. Will Swift break more records? Will this album outdo Midnights? Only time will tell. In summary, the Tortured Poets Department is set to release tomorrow with 20 new songs, featuring collaborations with Post Malone and Florence and the Machine. Available at midnight ET, the album also includes exclusive bonus tracks on specific vinyl variants. So mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready for a musical journey with Taylor Swift's The Tortured Poets Department. Stay tuned for more updates, and until then, keep the music playing.